All right, Gavin, thanks for reaching out. Sorry it took me so long to get this to you, but here's the problem I think you're talking about. We have the following system. The top equation is 3x plus 2y equals 6, and the bottom one is 3x plus 3 equals y. So when solving a system of equations, one option is to take the first equation up here and subtract the bottom equation from it. So if I do that, 3x minus 3x is 0x, so those cancel out. So I put a minus here. I put a minus around the entire thing to remind myself that it's 3x minus 3x. That goes away. Now I take 2y minus 3, which in the answer key, that's what you see in the next step. 2y minus 3. I can't take the 3 from this 2y because they're not like terms, so make sure you leave that the way it is. I have the equal sign. So now I also do the same thing on the right side of the equal sign, and I still use the subtraction sign that I'm using over here. And I tell myself 6 minus y. And so if you look at the answer key, the next step here says 6 minus y. So now I have this equation. If you notice, we call this elimination because we eliminated one of the variables. So now I have a single variable equation that you've seen before in like the beginning stages of our algebra career, like algebra 1. So next thing we'll do is we get to put all the y's on one side and all the numbers on the other. In the answer key, the answer key shows that we moved this y to the other side. So I add y to both sides. 2y plus y is 3y minus 3 equals 6. Since negative y plus y goes away, I'll cross those out there. And then from there, I add the 3 to get it to the other side. So I go plus 3, and I have 3y. These cancel out. 6 plus 3 equals 9. And then now that I've almost isolated the y by itself, I'm going to go ahead and divide this by 3. There you go. These will cancel out. I get y equals 3. And then as a reminder to finish solving this system, I take this and I plug 3 in for y in either one of these equations. If you look at the answer key, we use the top one. So if you want, I'll go over here and I take 3x plus 2. And since I know it says 2y right here, in place of that y, I'm going to substitute a 3. And when you substitute, I always recommend putting parentheses around it, equals 6. So I get 3x plus 6 equals 6. And then I minus the 6 here, minus the 6 here. And I get 3x equals 0. Divide by 3, and x equals 0. So the final answer or solution to this system is x equals 0 when y equals 3. Hopefully that helps out. I'm going to send you a second video here in a second. I'm going to cut this one off so it's not very long.